Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change or customize your Chrome theme. So in here, I've already on my Google Chrome, and as you guys can see, my Chrome has its theme. So now it's like a brown abstract, this a shape theme. So if you want to change your Chrome theme, you can just simply click on this pencil icon at the bottom of the bottom right corner of your Chrome. You can just open your Chrome and click on this. You can see customize this page. Okay, so on the right panel in here, you'll see the customize Chrome panel. So this is the Chrome, the theme that I'm currently using, and here you can also always change it by clicking on the change theme in here. You can go by default, or you can also upload an image on your own, and here you can also see a lot of categories in here that you can use for your Chrome profile. For example, here I'm going to go with art, and under that you can also see lots of options again that you can use for your Chrome theme. So just choose which one to use. For example, here I'm going to use this one. Just click on the one that you want to use and it will change automatically your Google Chrome. Okay, you can close this, or you can go back if you want to customize the other. You can also change the color in here. For example, I'm going to change the color into blue, pink, purple. So just choose the one that you want. I'm going to go with this one. And here you can also use this option, follow device color, and change the theme between light on dark. I'm going to go with dark. You can close this if you're done, and that's it. That's how you can customize your Google Chrome theme. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.